And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let's go back to the example from last time, and now we want to use it on an array to display its values. So we'll keep it here and I'll define an array. I use const. Let's make that about colors. Square brackets. Don't forget to add quotation marks, because these are string values. Alright, now let's set up our for loop. We use for regular brackets, curly brackets. Let's take care of the counter first. We do it just like in the example above. We'll define let equals I. We'll define let I equals 0 this time. So we want to start at index 0. And where do we want to end? Well, we want to end when the array ends, but we don't really know the length. So we can simply use colors.length. And the .length finds the length of the array. So just in case we want to add a color, for example black, is now going to be part of this .length. And we want to increment our counter I every time it iterates. So we write I++. Inside we use document.write, and then our array, colors, square brackets, and then the counter I. So we'll start with a 0, and that should be blue. The next iteration I becomes 1, that should be green. Next iteration I becomes 2, that should be red, and so forth. Well, let me add a line break here. And here we can see our colors a little bit better. So once more, an array starts with an index of 0, therefore our counter has to start with a 0. For each iteration we'll add 1 via the I++, and therefore we go through our array until we've reached the end, and that is defined via colors.length. So if I add white here and I refresh, we also get white. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.